Here's
the fucking
climate crisis.
The top 17 hottest years on record have been in the last 20 years, and especially in 2018. The climate crisis is affecting everyone, everywhere. This is a worldwide problem, and we're the ones who have to change. We have to change now.
We are 11 students around the country who are all interested in sustainability and how we can impact the environment. We all came together as one at the College Quest program. We want to protect our homes and change the world to make it a better place for everyone.
To reuse.
Recycling. Composting.
Reducing.
Ecological balance.
going green.
Resourceful.
Anti-consumerism.
Prevention.
Change. Responsibility.
Justice.
I would like to start bringing more awareness to my composting at my school.
When I get back, I'll try to teach people in my community about trash and where it goes.
When I go home, I plan on visiting my city council and school districts and asking them to make guidelines for our community to make our lives better.
I'm from New Orleans, and so I want to bring a more open mind to the topic of sustainability and educating my peers around me.
One way that I try to be resourceful in my life is I have only been thrifting my clothes or buying from really transparent companies.
I want to start like an environmental club at my school, probably just to like raise awareness like at my school and my community.
I'm from Honolulu, Hawaii, and I'd like to live more sustainable by implementing a compost and recycling system at my school because we don't have one of those.
Being from Conifer, Colorado, me and the big group at our school that's called Conifer Green Club, we're going to try to incorporate a sustainability project at our school, and that should help kind of reduce the waste that we use at school and like create awareness around students our age for future generations to uphold.
I live in Friday Harbor, Washington, and in my community, me and a couple of my friends have organized a walkout for climate awareness. And me personally, I went vegan so I can help the environment more.
There's a big giant seesaw on one side is weighed down by a big giant bag of boulders, and on the other side is high up in the air with a couple grains of sand. And if each person does a little thing to make their community better and to stop the climate crisis, then each person's grain of sand can eventually weigh down all the boulders.
We've all been told to be the change you want to see in the world, but what does that even mean? And how do we actually make a real impact?
To be the change you want to see in the world, you must take action on what you want in your future. To be the change, you can't be a bystander, and you need to step up and take initiative when nobody else is. You have the power to change your future. There's so many everyday habits that anyone could change. Make educated decisions, educate yourself and others, reduce waste. Look at the bigger picture, become a leader.
There are so many great organizations addressing these issues such as Zero Hour, Earth Guardians, Sunrise Movement, Youth for Scov, and so many more. We need to come together in order to make a change.
Climate change is an undeniably burning issue that threatens everyone on Earth and should be prioritized. It is present and pressing. We need to inform the stewards of our Earth of our planet's problems and need to take a proactive approach versus reactive approach. We believe that the well-being of our stewards, our habitats, and our planet trumps immediate economic growth.
Use your voice and choose to vote. Know your impact. You can calculate your impact in the link below and learn about ways to reduce it.
What is your plan of impact in your community?
Reducing.
I forgot the word.
Resourceful. Yeah, just get.
I'm not knowing what I'm saying.